Why are you doing this? Help!
You talk too much, man.
Yeah, we'll make you shut up soon.
Oh, dog, somebody help us!
It looks like they really want to kill us!
That's right, genius!
Whoa.
Save yourselves before it's through!
Bubble Man, please, no!
Who's coming?
Your chaos reign ends here and now.
We are too old to die.
Hurts a lot!
Sorry for being late.
They're too strong for us!
Please. Don't die.
Avenge my dead cat!
That was so traumatizing. Catnap, let me give you a hand.
Thanks, but you're not one of us. You should leave. You're too weak.
But Catnap is useless.
Our next target.
Happy Cupcake Day! Yeah!
Perfect!
Another one, or what? Did you hear something?
It must have been your little stomach.
Cheers to our friendship! What's wrong?
Thanks for the food,
You pair of
fools. Tastes good.
Who are you? What do you want from us? Hold me!
Don't talk like that!
Oh, you thought you could beat me? Well, think
Here's
again.
another, please! Picky, I need some help!
What should I do in this situation?